One thing that has stood out in my teaching robotics from my early times with the original teaching robot, the Tasman Turtle in the early 1980s, and with other robots, but mainly the Lego NXTs and EV3s in the last decade, I've observed that students coming into courses have an enormous range of abilities. In these tutorials, we try to arrange this a basic challenge that we aim to have every student complete. And to keep the more capable students occupied, we also try to have an extension activity or activities which will continue to keep them stimulated and still learning. This particular extension was suggested by a middle school student who had been reading about the Sufis. He wanted his robot to go around the moon with a few Sufi dancers on the way. Normally we would present this as a challenge to advanced students, but in this case we will provide a solution for you. This is a sample solution that worked for us. Ignore this first sleep 6, that's a delay so I can film the robot. We go forward towards the left hand side of the moon, speed of 100. We then do a reverse spin, a Sufi spin, forward again behind the moon and do another reverse spin and then head back towards Earth, going forwards. And we then stop the motors. You'll notice we've got a speed of 100 here, which tends to drain the battery a lot. So if you're using this program, use it with a full battery. Here's what it looks like when it ran. And thank you for watching.